Hey guys, what's up? Hello and welcome. Farmer protest shift from tractor to Twitter. Pop star Rihanna and climate environmentalist Greta Thunberg tweets give a boost of confidence to the farmer protesting at the Delhi border. Firstly, we will see about farmers' protest, then we move towards Twitter's battleground. The 2020-21 Indian farmers' protest is an ongoing protest against three farm acts which were passed by the Parliament of India in September 2020. It started 9th August 2020 to present, caused three farm acts. Their goals: repeal of all three farm bills and legally ensure MSP. 11 rounds of talks have taken place between the central government and the farmers' representative. Robin Rihanna Fenty, born February 20, 1988, is a Barbadian singer, actress and businesswoman. Born in St. Michael and raised in Bridgetown, Barbados, net worth $600 million. This is her Twitter account and she joined in 2009. 1029 following and she has 101 million followers and 10.5k tweets. And she tweets in February 2, 2021 at 8:59 pm and she said, "Why are not we talking about this? #farmers protest." Then Greta Thunberg, born 3 January 2003, is a Swedish environmental activist. This is her Twitter account. She joined in 2018. 2,373 following, 4.7 million followers and 8.8k tweets. She tweets, and I quote, "We stand in solidarity with the #farmers protest in India." Diljit Dosanjh is an Indian singer, songwriter, actor and television presenter who works in Punjabi and Hindi cinema. Born 6 January 1984. Is also deeply involved in Twitter battle. This is his Twitter account. He joined in 2011. 119 following, 4.9 million followers and 59.2k tweets. The Ministry of External Affairs responded to the tweets by the international figures. In a detailed statement posted by Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Anurag Srivastava, India said, "Before rushing to comment on such matters, we would argue that the facts be ascertained and a proper understanding of the issues at hand be undertaken." This is the official Twitter account of Anurag Srivastava. Joined 2011. 876 following, 2.1 million followers, 23.6k tweets. If you want to read the full documents, then pause the video and read it. Home Minister Amit Anil Chandra Saha, who was an Indian politician currently serving as a Ministry of Home Affairs. He served as a president of Bharatiya Janata Party from 2014 to 20. He was elected to the lower house of parliament, Lok Sabha, in 2019 from Gandhinagar. This is his official Twitter account. Joined in 2013, 297 following, 24.4 million followers and 12.5k tweets. He tweets, and I quote, "No propaganda can deter Indian unity. No propaganda can stop India to attain new heights. Propaganda cannot decide India's fate, only progress can. India stands united and together to achieve progress." Padma Shri Kangana Ranawat, born 23rd March 1987, is an Bollywood actor and filmmaker, has responded to Rihanna. In a tweet, Kangana had said, and I quote, "No one is talking about it because they are not farmers, they are terrorists who are trying to divide India so that China can take over our vulnerable broken nation and make it a Chinese colony much like USA." This is her Twitter account. Joined October 2015, 257 following and 3 million followers, 19.5k tweets. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, born 24 April 1973, is an Indian former international cricketer who served as captain of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. He tweets February 3rd, 7 pm, "India's sovereignty cannot be compromised. External forces can be spectators but not participants. Indians know India and should decide for India. Let's remain united as a nation. Virat Kohli, born 5 November 1988, is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of Indian national team. A right-handed top-order batsman, Kohli is regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen in the world. This is his Twitter account. He joined September 2009. 64 following, 40.3 million followers and 2.3k tweets. And here he tweets, "Let us all stay united. In this hour of disagreements, farmers are an integral part of our country, and I am sure an amicable solution will be found between all parties to bring about peace and move forward together. Hashtag India Together." Karan Kumar Johar is an Indian film director, producer, screenwriter, costume designer, actor and television personality who works in Hindi film. He said, "We live in turbulent times and the need of the hour is prudence and patience at every turn. Let us together make every effort we can to find solutions that work for everyone. Our farmers are the backbone of India. Let us not let anyone divide us. Hashtag India Together." And here it is, Karan Johar's Twitter account. Joined July 2009. 14 following, 17.3 million followers, 10.8k tweets. Rajiv Hariom Bhatia, professionally known as Akshay Kumar, is an Indian-born, naturalized Canadian actor, producer, martial artist and television personality who works in Bollywood. Here his Twitter account. Joined April 2009. 26 following, 40.5 million followers and 40.7k tweets. He said, "Farmers constitute an extremely important part of our country, and the efforts being undertaken to resolve their issues are evident. Let's support an amicable resolution rather than paying attention to anyone creating differences. Hashtag India Together and hashtag India Against Propaganda." Vishal Biru Devgan, professionally known as Ajay Devgan, born 2nd April 1969, is an Indian film actor, director and producer. And this is his Twitter account. Joined August 2009. 59 following, 14 million followers and 3.1k tweets. He said, and I quote, "Don't fall for any false propaganda against India or Indian politics." Here is the end of the day. Thank you for watching and God bless you.